Connecting to APNS for iPhone using Python. I'm trying to send push notifications to an iPhone using Python. I've exported my certificate and private key into a P12 file from Keychain Access and then converted it into PIM file using the following command. I'm using AppsWrapper in Python for the connection. I run the following code. And then I get the error message. Can anyone help me out on this?
I recently did this using Django. This URL may be useful? It's making use of no extra libraries other than those included with Python already. Wouldn't take much to extract the send_message method out.
There were a few bugs in the originally posted code, so here's a corrected version that works for me.
Have you considered the twisted package? The below code is taken from here.
Try to update the latest AppsWrapper version, 0.4. There is build-in support of OpenSL command line tool, OpenSL s_client, now.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.